Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F40. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So if you have it on and it's giving you this error F40, so the F40 is that somewhere within the machine the electronics are detecting some kind of electronic anomaly, some kind of electronic fault is being thrown up. Unfortunately, it's not localized anywhere, so there's not a simple solution for fixing this. You very well may need to call a technician. However, before you call a technician, there's one thing you can do to try to get rid of this, and that is the F40 fault, like a lot of electronic faults, just like on a computer, if that's not acting right, sometimes you can clear them out just by doing a hard reset on the machine. So to do a hard reset on the machine, all you need to do is turn it off. And then you want to unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit breaker so it's completely disconnected from power. Leave it disconnected for a full minute, and once that minute's up, you can return power to it, turn it back on, and see if you can't run a tumble cycle, a dry cycle, without the error coming back. And hopefully you'll be able to do that. If not, like I said, you'll probably need to call a technician, but this very well may solve your problem. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.